Over 60, every night you go to bed without the right foods, your muscles could be slipping away. Research reveals that adults over 60 lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade, and a surprising amount of that loss happens while you sleep. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that most of this decline occurs overnight, making your bedtime routine more critical than ever. But here's the alarming part. Just watching this video without taking action could cost you 0.2% of your muscle mass tonight alone. Fortunately, there's good news. In this video, we'll walk you through 8 of the most powerful muscle-preserving foods to eat before bed, ranked from least to most important. And the number one food? A groundbreaking 2024 study found it can boost overnight muscle protein synthesis by 22%, even without exercise. Yet 99% of seniors have never heard of it. You're not too old to get stronger. Not even close. But before we dive in, leave a comment below with your age. Let's see how many of us are working towards strength, no matter our decade. Cottage cheese. It might not be the most glamorous item in your fridge, but cottage cheese could be one of the smartest foods you can eat, especially as you age. What makes it so special? The answer lies in its casein protein, a slow-digesting form of protein that works while you sleep. Unlike whey or plant-based proteins that absorb quickly, casein releases amino acids gradually over a period of 6 to 8 hours. This extended release is incredibly beneficial for older adults, whose bodies naturally lose muscle mass over time. Eating casein before bed helps maintain and even build muscle during sleep, when your body's in repair mode. And there's real science behind it. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed 30 grams of casein protein before bedtime experienced a 31% boost in overnight muscle protein synthesis. That means they didn't just prevent muscle loss, they actively rebuilt muscle tissue overnight. This is especially important for seniors trying to stay active, mobile, and independent. Stronger muscles mean better balance, fewer falls, and more energy to enjoy daily life. Here's how to make it work. Eat about 1/2 cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese. For extra flavor, top it with banana slices, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even some berries. Have it 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime to give your body fuel for overnight recovery. So while it may not have the hype of trendy superfoods, cottage cheese quietly supports your strength, stability, and quality of life, one spoonful at a time. Hard-boiled eggs. Sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful, and hard-boiled eggs are a perfect example. These compact, no-fuss snacks pack a serious nutritional punch, especially for seniors looking to preserve strength, mobility, and muscle tone. Each egg contains about 6 grams of complete protein, along with a powerhouse amino acid called leucine. Leucine is critical for muscle protein synthesis. Essentially, it tells your body to build and maintain muscle. And as we age, our need for leucine-rich foods increases because the body becomes less efficient at processing protein. Here's the science. A 2021 study published in the journal Nutrients followed adults over 60 who consumed eggs before bedtime. After 12 weeks, the group eating eggs retained 19% more muscle mass compared to those who didn't. That's a huge advantage when it comes to maintaining independence, balance, and overall vitality. Eggs also contain vitamin B12, choline for brain health, and healthy fats, without any sugar or carbs. They're a perfect snack that supports both muscle recovery and overall wellness. How to make it work for you. Eat 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs about 30 minutes before bed. Add a dash of turmeric or black pepper for anti-inflammatory benefits. Store them in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go evening snack. Whether you're recovering from light exercise trying to stay strong or just want better overnight nutrition, hard-boiled eggs are a time-tested solution that delivers real results. Tuna in olive oil. It might not be your go-to bedtime snack, but tuna packed in olive oil is an underrated superfood for seniors looking to support their muscles and fight nighttime inflammation. Tuna provides lean, high-quality protein that's easily absorbed by the body, and when it's packed in olive oil, it delivers an extra dose of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Together, this combo does more than fill you up. It actively works to repair muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, and support overnight recovery. Here's what the science says. A 2020 study showed that seniors who consumed omega-3 rich foods like tuna before sleep experienced a 34% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. That's not just maintenance, it's improvement. And this is crucial, especially as we age and naturally lose muscle mass over time. Omega-3s also help reduce joint pain, improve heart health, and promote better sleep quality, making tuna and olive oil a triple threat for senior wellness. How to enjoy it. Take half a can of tuna packed in olive oil, serve it with sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, or a few whole grain crackers. Skip the mayo. Instead, brighten it up with a squeeze of lemon juice or a pinch of sea salt. It's quick, affordable, and incredibly effective. And while it may be an unconventional bedtime choice, it delivers exactly what your body needs to recover, rebuild, and rest well overnight. Greek yogurt. When it comes to smart senior-friendly bedtime snacks, Greek yogurt earns a top spot. This creamy protein-packed food does more than satisfy your hunger. It actively supports your body's muscle recovery, bone health, and gut balance while you sleep. Here's what makes it so powerful. Greek yogurt is loaded with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually through the night. This helps repair muscle tissue, preserve lean mass, and prepare your body for more energy and strength the next day. But that's just the start. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which is vital for maintaining strong bones as we age. And its natural probiotics support digestion, reduce bloating, and boost immunity, making it a well-rounded choice for overnight nourishment. Research backs it up. A recent clinical study revealed that older adults who consume Greek yogurt before bed saw a 26% increase in muscle protein synthesis, along with improved mitochondrial function, which means their cells were literally producing more energy overnight. How to enjoy it. Scoop 1/2 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt into a small bowl. Sprinkle with cinnamon for blood sugar control. Add a handful of sliced strawberries or chia seeds for antioxidants and fiber. It's low in sugar, easy to digest, and takes just a few minutes to prepare. Greek yogurt is a simple, affordable, and delicious way to support your muscles, bones, and gut health while you sleep. Warm milk with turmeric. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones our grandparents trusted, and warm milk with turmeric is one of those timeless remedies that modern science now fully supports. This comforting drink does much more than help you relax before bed. Milk is a rich source of casein, protein, calcium, and tryptophan, a natural amino acid that helps the body produce melatonin, your sleep hormone. This combination supports overnight muscle recovery, bone strength, and a more restful night's sleep. But when you add turmeric, the benefits increase dramatically. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that's been shown to reduce joint pain, muscle soreness, and morning stiffness, especially important for seniors dealing with arthritis or inflammation-related conditions. A 2022 clinical study found that adults who consumed a protein-rich drink before bed had a 32% boost in muscle protein synthesis overnight. When curcumin was included, participants also reported less joint stiffness and improved mobility the next morning. How to prepare this golden bedtime drink. Heat 1 cup of milk, dairy or fortified non-dairy milk like almond or oat. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb curcumin. Optional, add a small spoon of honey for taste, especially if you're not sensitive to sugar. Enjoy this warm, soothing drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It's gentle on digestion, deeply nourishing, and may just become your favorite nighttime ritual. Almond butter. Looking for a simple, delicious way to support muscle health overnight? Almond butter might be the bedtime snack you've been missing. This creamy spread is more than just tasty, it's a powerful nutritional tool for seniors. Almond butter delivers a blend of healthy fats, plant-based protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. Together, these nutrients feed your muscles, help maintain steady blood sugar levels, and even lower cortisol, the stress hormone that can interfere with sleep and muscle recovery. In fact, a study published in Nutrients found that older adults who consumed almond-based fats before sleep experienced 17% better nitrogen retention, a key indicator of muscle preservation. Even more impressive, they also had lower levels of muscle-wasting hormones, meaning they retained more lean mass during the night. But the benefits don't stop there. Magnesium supports restful sleep, while vitamin E helps reduce inflammation and protect your cells from oxidative damage, something that becomes increasingly important as we age. How to enjoy it before bed. Spread 1 tablespoon of natural, unsweetened almond butter on a slice of whole grain toast or eat it on its own. Pair with banana slices or a small glass of warm almond milk for added comfort. Be sure to choose almond butter with no added sugars or hydrogenated oils, just almonds and maybe a pinch of salt. This small habit may help you sleep better, wake up less stiff, and hold on to more of your hard-earned muscle. Tart cherry juice. If you're looking for a natural, effective way to reduce muscle soreness and improve your sleep, look no further than tart cherry juice. This vibrant red drink has become a favorite among athletes, and for good reason. But what's even more exciting, it's especially beneficial for older adults. Tart cherry juice is rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation, and natural melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. Together, these compounds make it a double-duty solution, easing sore muscles and promoting deeper, more restorative sleep. A 2019 clinical study found that adults over 50 who consumed tart cherry juice before bedtime reported 33% less muscle soreness and 15% improvement in sleep efficiency. That means you wake up with less stiffness, more energy, and a body better prepared to move. Why does it work? Anthocyanins calm inflammation that builds up in joints and muscles. Melatonin gently nudges your body into a deeper, uninterrupted sleep. The combination supports overnight repair, which is key to preventing muscle loss and maintaining strength after 60. How to enjoy it. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice. Sip it 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Choose varieties with no added sugar for best results. This small evening ritual can lead to big changes in how you feel every morning. Less soreness, better mobility, and a stronger body over time. 1. Whey protein shake. If you're over 60 and serious about maintaining your strength, balance, and independence, whey protein should be part of your nightly routine. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to rebuild muscle, a challenge called anabolic resistance. Whey protein is nature's answer. It's fast digesting, packed with leucine, the key amino acid that flips the muscle-building switch, and proven to stimulate muscle growth even while you sleep. In a 2021 clinical trial, seniors who consumed 40 grams of whey protein before bed experienced a 22% boost in overnight muscle protein synthesis. That's not just theory. Participants also showed measurable improvements in strength, balance, and physical function. For older adults, those gains translate to fewer falls, better mobility, and a stronger body to support everyday activities. Whey protein is more than a fitness tool. It's a longevity essential. How to make it. Use 1 scoop of whey protein isolate. Choose a high-quality, low-carb brand. Mix with cold water or unsweetened almond milk. Drink 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Tips. Avoid mass gainer powders with added sugars and fillers. Choose unflavored or naturally sweetened options for better health. Add a dash of cinnamon or unsweetened cocoa for flavor and antioxidant support. This simple, affordable step takes just a minute, but it could mean stronger muscles, better recovery, and more confidence in your daily life. Give your body the fuel it needs to repair and thrive while you rest. What you eat before bed could be the missing link between muscle loss and lasting strength. After age 60, it's common to lose muscle faster, but that doesn't mean it's inevitable. These 8 science-backed bedtime foods aren't fads. They're nutrient-dense, practical, and proven to support overnight muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and help your body bounce back stronger. Whether you're 60 or 90, your muscles are still capable of growth. You just need to give them the right fuel at the right time. So tonight, instead of going to bed on an empty stomach or with the wrong snacks, choose something that supports your strength, recovery, and independence. Tell us in the comments, which of these are you going to try first? Like this video if staying strong matters to you. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on living well, aging strong, and staying active for life. You've still got strength left to build. Let's make it count.